Just imagine making more than $200 in a single day just by doing a very simple task. Alex looked into Melissa's eyes and promised, "No matter how rich I become, I will always be the same person you fell for. I love you, Melissa." This is the promises that Alex promised Melissa. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I recently watched this video with the concept of making money by reading, and I loved this video. This amazing YouTuber who is called Odetta, she explained the idea of making money just by reading books aloud on this website and then get paid more than $200 a day. This is a lot of money. In this video, we're going to see if it's really possible to make money through reading books aloud, but also we are going to look all the necessary requirements for you to get started. Let's get started. First of all, I had to ask ChatGPT if this can really work, if you can really make money just by reading, and this is what I found on ChatGPT. Yes, you can earn money just by reading books and narrating stories online. This is what ChatGPT replied to me, and then I went on Google to see all the reviews about this website that can give you money just by narrating stories or reading books aloud. This is what I found on Google reviews. Audiobook narrators could make around $10 up to $500 just per 1 hour. So this is what I found on Google reviews. This means that people are actually making a decent amount of money just by reading books aloud. So let's see all these websites that can pay you just by reading books. If you're interested in reading, I think this is very special for you because many people are using a lot of their time reading without making money. So I think this is the best way for you to monetize your hobbies and start making money. So our very first website is called Findway Voices. This website is very important for all the people who loves to lead. Let's say that you love to lead, and the only thing that you have to do, you have to go to join to this website, Findway Voices, and after that your voice will be heard on a different platforms like Spotify, Apple Books, and Google. So this platform is going to help to sell your voice to different platforms like Spotify, Google, and Apple Books. So all you have to do is for you to join to this platform, and you will be paid around $50 up to $200. This is like the best and the most trusted website on this. You have to go ahead and try to see how much you are actually going to make on this platform. This is for those people who love to read. Books translation. This is the best way for you to start making money just by reading. And let's say that you know more than 2 languages. Let's say that you know English and French. So the only thing that you will be doing, you will have to translate the books from French to English or from English to French. So many people are getting paid just by doing so, and the only thing that you have to do, if you know more than 2 languages, you have to go to this website that you can find this job for you to translate different books. You can go to Upwork or Fiverr. This is a place that you're going to find these jobs for you to translate different books into another language. So you have to try this. I've seen a lot of people making more than $200 just by doing so. You have to know more than 2 languages, and then you have to go to this website that you can find this job for you to translate different books, and you can start earning just by doing that. It's really amazing. Review the book that you have read. This is like the easiest way for you to start making money just by reading, because you're just going to go on this website which is called Online Book Club, and after going there you will have to share your opinion about any book that you have read. This is like the easiest way for you to start making money. Let's say that you have read more than 10 books until now. So in any book that you're going to share your opinion about, you're going to get more than $60. It's really possible. You have to go to this website which is called Online Book Club, and after joining to this website you'll be able to share your opinion about different books that you have read. I've seen a lot of people making money out of it. The more books that you have read, the more money that you're going to get on this platform. So you have to go on this platform and try to see how much you are actually going to make on this platform. I know you have read a lot of books. This is time for you to start making money just providing opinion about the books that you have read. A6 is a website that is actually going to pay you more than $200 just by doing the following. The only thing that you have to do, you have to make sure that you record your voice in a very quiet place, and you can read any book that you may like, and make sure that you upload on this platform which is acx.com. and after doing that you're just going to make more than $200 just by reading loud. This is It's a very trusted website, and I've seen a lot of people making money on this website. So you have to go and try to see how much you're actually going to make on this website, acx.com. You have to make sure that you read in a very quiet place so that you can get a lot of people to listen to your voice. So how to be successful and how can you make like a lot of money just by reading? And this is a very important part. I want you to listen very careful. Not a lot of people are doing this because they are afraid, like it's very hard thing to do, and not a lot of people, they sacrifice their time reading and making money. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to develop your voice. It's very important that many people, when are listening to your voice, they have to feel satisfied and they need to keep listening. So you need to improve and you need to develop your voice. The easiest way for you to do this, you have to train yourself like every day to make sure that you speak with confidence and your words have to be heard. This is like the very important thing for you to do. You have to make sure that you have good microphone so that a lot of people can be satisfied listening to you. And also you have to choose right niche for you. Let's say that you need to find topic that you are specialized in. You need to find something that you are interested to do. This is going to help you to make sure that you are going to attract new audience every single day, because you have this certain niche or you have this a certain topic that you love to talk every day. It can be about stories, it can be about kids, it can be about anything that you like. You need to specialize on what exactly that you want to be talking every single day that you post, every single day that you record your voice and upload it to these different platforms. There are a lot of people, they need to hear about romantic stories, they need to know about the different stories on the books, and also you need to promote and share your voice. It's very important for you to understand that people are just going to find you just by promoting and sharing your voice. The best way for you to promote, you can go to Upwork and Fiverr. You can promote your work and people will be interested to listen to you. And I've seen a lot of great narrators, they say that they used to promote their work on Upwork and Fiverr and they're getting a lot of money right now. So this is something to consider and make sure that you do this, and I guarantee you in a very short time you're just going to see success. The other thing is, all of this is really not going to happen overnight. It can take a while, it can take like 2 months, 3 months, who knows. But as long as you keep working on different websites that I've mentioned in this video, and if you keep working on them, if you keep posting your voice, you can earn a lot of money. Thanks so much.